Hello, Facebook Live. Thomas Eaves with the Eaves Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, and I'm standing in front of one of my favorite listings of all time. This is 6745 Country Club, which is in East Dallas, Texas. 4-bedroom, 4.5 baths, 4,524 square feet. Priced at $331 dollars per square foot, which makes it $1.5 million. That is the most affordably priced 7-figure home in all of Country Club Estates. So I'm going to take you guys on the tour real quick. We'll start here in the front yard. This is a circle drive, and you'll notice that right across the street here is Lakewood Country Club. So if you love Happy Gilmore, or if you love Caddyshack, you can watch it live every single day right here from your front stoop. So we'll go up the steps here into the entryway, and you'll notice as we enter the entryway is large enough for a baby grand piano. So if your entryway doesn't have a baby grand piano, I mean, are you even trying? So we'll turn to the left here from the entryway, and you'll notice living area with 22-foot ceilings, recessed lights, and imported window coverings. So if you just love wide open spaces, or if you have giraffes, there's no better living space for you. This leads right over here into the breakfast area, which has a dry bar. Goes out to the outdoor kitchen. Custom stainless steel valances above the windows. Same imported blinds from the living area. And this feeds right into the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, stacked microwave, oven, and warmer, all stainless, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, custom stainless steel backsplash, custom cabinetry, custom Dynasty 4-burner range, and the Thermador vent hood. I mean, it has everything. And so pantry is here, and if this is not enough space for you, that's okay. There's more pantry space over here. So if there's one thing this house has more of than any other home I've ever listed, it's storage space. So we'll go over here, and this is they're using this as a media room. It's really a second living area. Also the custom valances, wood look tile. Come back down the hallway here, and this is office space with doors going out to the backyard. Also the same wood look tile. And also has a workshop here. Not climate control, but it does feel like it today. And then this will be a shock to you, but more storage space. And so if we continue back out here, we'll end up in the formal dining area. They're definitely pro-zebra in this household. And so the dining area looks out over the country club as well. And we'll continue down the hallway, and this will be master bathroom and bedroom number 1. This house has dual masters. So here's number 1. More zebra, we're shocked. Also looks out over the country club. And then the final room downstairs is the laundry area. Sink, built-in cabinets, built-in washer and dryer. That door actually goes to the exterior. You'll just have to take my word for it. We'll go back over here and head upstairs, but before we do, again, this will shock you, more storage space. All right, we'll head up the stairs here. And so there was 1 bedroom downstairs. There are 3 up. Entryway features recessed lighting and the skylight there. This is, I know you can't guess, but more storage. So this is bedroom number 1. It's being used as an exercise room. I don't normally show off the closets in these bedrooms, but this one deserves it. So we'll go into the closet here. The closet actually has an entry into the attic space. And the attic is, well, to put it lightly, it's spacious. There's plenty of storage in here, and then there's this staircase that leads up to, you guessed it, even more storage space. So, and it goes up here, and it goes the length of the house. I don't know if you can see that at all. Oh, that's how you turn the camera. Okay, I figured it out. We'll head back down the stairs here. I couldn't figure out how to turn the camera, so I don't know if you could see the first part of the tour at all. I did my best, I really did. If this real estate thing doesn't work out, I'm going to apply to be the host of MTV Cribs. Okay, so this is a Jack and Jill style bathroom. Right here is the vanity. All of that's been upgraded, all of that's new. Moves into a similar looking one. Oh, similar looking one here. The artwork does not convey. Closet space over here in this bedroom. And then this will shock you, but there's even more storage space. You've got the sit-on window here. Okay, so here's a second closet, but it doesn't end here, or here, or here, or here. It keeps going. Huge. Tons of storage space. Okay, finally, the piece de resistance in this house is the master bedroom. So we'll go back into the hall here. Master bedroom is huge. Spacious. It's got the lounge area over here. One of the coolest parts about this bedroom, the second coolest part, I'll show you the coolest part in a second, is the balcony that overlooks Lakewood Country Club. So you can see this. This is just about as good as the view gets in East Dallas for the Lakewood Country Club. Okay. And the final area in the master suite is here. So there's sort of a dual master bathroom situation here. This is the men's side, right? So it's got a built-in refrigerator, granite countertops, has its own water closet, and then over here, I know this will shock everyone, but there's more storage. So there's a closet, and then there's a closet within a closet. So you've got the closet for your clothes, you've got the closet for where you put your clothes whenever you travel. So you have it. And then we'll move into, so this is the ladies' side over here. Also a custom upgraded vanity. Now, a lot of bathrooms have jetted tubs. This is more than a jetted tub. This is huge. This is a jacuzzi. This is a hot tub in your bathroom. So that's there. Shocking, but there's another closet. Another closet. This has access to yet another attic. And then the ladies' side has its own water closet as well. So man and woman, or man and man, or woman and woman, never have to share a toilet. Pretty cool. Okay, so finally, this is a resort-style home. So what you'll notice is that it's on about half an acre. And so we've already showed you the front yard. We're going to go downstairs because I haven't gotten my cardio in today. And I'll show you the backyard as well. So whenever you walk out the door, you're first in the outdoor kitchen area. So this has a built-in grill. It's got built-in refrigeration. Everything you need to host and entertain. And this leads out to the heated saltwater pool. I'm not sure the size of this pool, but it's somewhere 25,000, 30,000 gallons. It's sizable. Goes down to what I estimate to be about 8 feet. So you saw the circle drive in the front, which was great for parking, but you also have this solar-powered gate in the back and this long driveway for even more parking. So this property really does have it all. Resort-style, golf course views, 25,000, 30,000 gallons, saltwater, heated pool. It's got it all. 6745 Country Club, $1.5 million, Country Club Estates, Eaves Realty Group. If you'd like to see it, let us know.